Do you want to know how to use Windows 11 backup feature? Then here is a complete guide on how to do it. This is the Windows Club. If you used your Microsoft account to sign up on your Windows 11, then OneDrive backup will be automatically enabled for some folders. However, you might want to tweak the existing settings or allocate more folders to the backup sequence. Let's get started and see how to use Windows backup feature. To use the Windows 11 backup feature, first press Win+I to go to Settings. From the sidebar, click on Accounts. Now scroll down a bit and click on Windows Backup. Next, click the Setup Syncing button next to the OneDrive folder syncing option. If the setup has been completed, it will display Manage Sync Settings. Now, you will see all the eligible folders for OneDrive backup. How to use Windows 11 backup feature. Toggle on or off the folders you want to include or exclude from the backup sequence. Once done, click Start Backup and you are ready. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.